In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache in hPanel through the WordPress Overview section. Clearing your cache is a vital step in maintaining your website's performance, resolving common issues, and ensuring your visitors have the best experience possible. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to hPanel, which is your all-in-one website management tool. After logging in, direct your attention to the navigation bar, typically located at the top of the interface. From here, click on the Websites tab. This section of hPanel is where you manage the various aspects of your website, making it a critical starting point for this task. Once you're in the Websites area, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Here, you'll need to select the specific website for which you want to clear the cache. Click on the Dashboard button next to your chosen site. Entering the dashboard is crucial, as it is the control center for all your website's settings and performance optimizations. Now that you're in the dashboard, you want to locate the WordPress Overview section. This section provides you with a comprehensive view of everything happening with your WordPress site, from updates and security to performance tracking. It's an excellent resource for ensuring your site is functioning optimally. In the WordPress Overview section, look for the option to Clear Cache. This feature is specifically designed to remove stored data that might be clogging up your server, potentially slowing down your site, or displaying outdated content to your users. Click on Clear Cache, and in just a few seconds, the cache will be cleared, resulting in immediate updates to your website. If you've been experiencing issues like outdated pages loading or site speed decreases, clearing your cache can resolve these problems effectively. It allows for a fresh load of the most recent data, ensuring your visitors see the latest content and improving their browsing experience. In addition to resolving issues, regularly clearing your cache is a good practice as part of your ongoing site maintenance. It can prevent problems before they occur, helping you maintain the efficiency and performance of your website over time. And there you have it. You now know how to clear your WordPress site cache using hPanel. This simple but powerful tool can make a big difference in how your site operates and appears to your users. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel confident in handling cache management moving forward. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials to keep your website running smoothly.